1.5 meter tall boy is looking at the top of the temple, which is 30 meters in height from a point at certain distance. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the crown of the temple increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the temple. Find the distance he walked towards the temple. Let us consider this is a temple of height 30 meters. An observer of height 1.5 meters is standing at a point. From there, the angle of elevation from his eyes to the crown of the temple is 30 degrees. So this observer walks towards the temple, and at certain point the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. So we need to find the distance he walked, which is, let us consider this distance as x, and let us name the triangles as ABCD. Since the height of the observer is 1.5 meters and the height of the temple is 30 meters, if we subtract the height of the observer from height of the temple, this height will be 28.5. So now we have two triangles ABC and ABD. So from these two triangles we can find the distance he walked, which is CD. Let us consider that CD as x. So height of the temple is given as 30 meters and height of the observer is 1.5 meters. So in triangle ABC, tan C, tan is opposite by adjacent side, which is AB by BC. So tan 60 degrees is equals to AB. We know that AB is equals to 28.5 and BC we are considering it as y. We know that the value of tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is equals to 28.5 by y. So cross multiply this. So y is equals to 28.5 by root 3. Now let us take the big triangle, which is ABD. So in triangle ABD, tan D is equals to opposite side. Opposite side is AB. Opposite side to this angle is AB and adjacent side is BD. BD is nothing but BC plus CD, which is x plus y. So we know that tan 30 degrees is equals to 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equals to 28.5 by x plus y. In place of y we can substitute this value. Now first cross multiply this. So x plus y is equals to 28.5 into root 3. So in place of y we will substitute 28.5 by root 3. Transpose this 28.5 by root 3 there. So x is equals to 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 by root 3. So we can take 28.5 as common. So the x is equals to 28.5 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3. This is the distance travelled by the boy.